What's up, everybody? This is FNH here with a brand new top about Misfits Marketplace. So I actually purchased the Misfit Marketplace vegetable package, the 10 to 12 pound one, and just wanted to show you the whole box and then get into the review setting page. It's a very large box, and just want to show you this real quick before I change the settings up and to show you the vegetables itself now. So back with the setup, there's a lot more stuff that I did not pull out yet. I don't even know what half these vegetables are, but they don't look as ugly as I anticipated it to be. Now, just to get into what this is, basically, before I get into I'm going to show you the box again, like with everything that else is in there. So basically, here it is, Misfits. What this is basically doing is the ugly vegetables and whatnot, if you don't know, and they're organic. People actually, or these retailers, they throw them out and they don't sell them. So what this company is doing is they purchase them at probably pennies on the dollar and then they sell it to you. So this specific box is 10 to 12 pounds. And the good thing about this box is that they're all organic, and then market value would be around $35 to $40. There are pros and cons, and I'm going to go through them. Again, they're organic. They just look ugly. I don't even know if this one looks ugly. Yeah, this is kind of tiny. I don't know if this onion's kind of small. There's like other stuff as well. Again, I don't know what some of this stuff is. I know some of these stuff, like I think this is a mango, probably an orange, could be a grapefruit, maybe either or, not sure. But again, the price value for them is significantly cheap. I thought they would look worse, or maybe in maybe they were basically gone bad, but they don't. And again, there's a lot more in there. And I did a lot of research. So the price for this is $19 if it's a subscription purchase, and you can cancel the subscription anytime. So I wouldn't even advise you to do the one-time purchase. And essentially, it even tells you how to make some stuff. And essentially, it says it in that sense. And the good thing is, I did that, and I had a coupon code as well. So I believe I got the whole thing for $15. And I'll leave my link in anyone can do the link. I'll leave mine below, so you guys can just basically, if you do want to try it out, you just go from there. But overall, this is an extremely impressive thing. I'm going to show you the box as well, but just to show you the price point, there's another box above this. It's $34 if you do the subscription, and it's $43 if you don't do it. And I think this was $23.75 if you don't do a subscription. Again, it's stupid because I can literally cancel my subscription now. There is no payment. You just do it and then you cancel it the next day if you want to test it out. That's how I've always done it with these other food sharing services and whatnot. But yeah, let's see. Let's go into the box. So guys, this is what else is left into the box. So we have this. This looks uglier than the other ones. I would say the onion is fairly small. No idea what the hell this is. Cucumbers, fairly large. Oh yeah, it does come with like ice packs and everything, so it was cool and chilled when it came. It's still fairly chilly. Here's another mango. There's some potatoes, ugly looking. Yep, these definitely look ugly. I have more potatoes here. What are these? Pears? Yep, these are pears, I think. So it's both. It's fruits and vegetables. There's tomatoes as well. I believe these are tomatoes. Nope, these are bell peppers. Red peppers, bell peppers, one of those. I'm bad at fruits and vegetables. Well, fruits maybe not as much. Actually, no, I suck at both. I know the basics. So again, it's pretty cool. I'm a little interested in it. I might not cancel my subscription. It's like I said, it's $19. I think they're shipping as well, but again, I had the promotion code, so that didn't cost me shipping, so I'll see how my next one ends up being. So it'll be pretty interesting to see how that goes. But this was very interesting. Like I said, there's still some stuff there. I have some stuff over there. Yeah, fairly interested to see how this ends up tasting as well. But overall, it looks pretty cool. I think they were right in the fact that they just looks ugly. But again, I did compare some of these prices to the market value, and I did a lot of research. They did say it was actually worth it. It just sucks that you can't choose your vegetables or fruits. Anything can just come, essentially. So yeah, that kind of sucks. But yeah, overall, let me know your thoughts below, guys. If you already have this, what do you guys think? Do you like it? Do you hate it? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. But overall, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. It helps a lot. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell. Other than that, FNH out. Peace.